Good everyone, my name is Graphics. Today we want to solve another problem in logarithm where we are going to be analyzing this problem. And the problem goes like this. It says log x to base 4 plus log x to base 2 is equal to 6. Now the question you ask yourself, how will I start? What will I do? There are many things that you can do here, right? There are many things that you can do here. The first thing you can do is you can make these two bases the same, right? And the second thing you can do, you can change the base. Well, let's go for the easy way out. Let's take 4 to a number in what? Base 2, so they will be the same. So what I will do is I can rewrite this by saying that the log of x, then we have 2 to the power of 2 plus the log of x to base 2 is equals to what? 6, right? Now there's a law. Recall, whenever you have log of a to c, and we have b here, since the c is at the base, it will give us 1 over c log what? B to a, right? So we apply it here, so the 2 will come to the back. So when the 2 comes to the back, it will be 1 over what? Over 2 log x to 2, right? Plus log s to 2 is equals to what? 6. Now the way it is this way, I want the base to be equal and I want both of them to look alike. So there's another law that says that, recall from our previous video, the law says that recall a over b log cd will give us c raised to the power of what? Or better still, will give us log c raised to the power of what? A over b, then d. So what is down here will go on top of it, right? So we something as writing it this way by saying that log, right, the root of c, but in this root here I'll be having b here and raised to the power of what? A. That is your indices, then to base d, right? That is indices. So when I come here, I'll just go straight to the point by putting log x 1 over 2 is coming up to base 2 plus log x to 2 equals to what? 6, which is the same thing by writing it this way, log the square root of x, right, to base 2 plus log x to base 2 is equal to what? 6. Now there's a law. Since the bases are equal, we've already achieved our aim. The bases are now equal and we have the same log. What's in front of log here is 1. What's in front of here is log is 1 also. So I will say that recall log AB plus log CB, the bases are equal. What we're going to do, when two log are adding each other and they have the same base, you're going to multiply them. So it will be log AC to base what? B, right? So from here now, I'm going to have log, right, x, that will be root x times what? Times x. This dot means times. To base 2 is equals to what? 6, right? Now, they have the same base in indices. I can write this by saying log, right? I can say log, this is like saying s1 over 2, right? Plus 1, because this x here has 1. So indices, when you have two base multiplying each other, you are going to what? Add the power. So I'm adding the power now. To base 2 is equal to what? 6. So from here, if you add the power, we're going to have log x 3 over 2 to base 2 is equals to what? 6, right? Now there's a law from my previous video that I showed you that this is same as writing x 3 all over 2 is equals to what? 2 to the power of 6 is a law. This will go up and carry the 6 up. Now let me write that law here. Recall, when you have log a to b equals to c, it is the same thing as saying b a is equals to what? B raised by what? C. So from here, there's one law here also. Anything that crosses the equal sign changes position. So if the power is coming here, what will happen is to give us x is equals to 2 to the power of 6, right? So if this guy is coming here to be multiplied by what? 2 over 3. Because once it crosses to this side, the 2 will come up, the 3 will come down. So from here I can say, this is like saying 6 over 1, right? Or I can say 6 times 2 is 12. But I'll just say 3 in here, 1. In 6, how many? 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So I will say that my x is equals to 2 raised to power what? 4. And 2 raised to power 4 is like saying 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in 4 places. So that will give us what? 16. So my x is equals to what? 16. So the answer to this question here is 16, right? So let's see our next problem here. In our next video, we'll be looking at our next problem, right? So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.